Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it.
Hey cousins, so today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I wanted to do my makeup. I'm going to call this makeup therapy. And while I'm doing my makeup, I want to talk about protecting your peace. My definition of protecting your peace is abstaining from anything that can cause you to feel negative emotions or thoughts. Some examples of ways that I protect my peace. I take social media breaks. I avoid people with negative energy. This can be anyone from family, friends, or associates. You have to put yourself first. I take necessary me time. Refrain from arguments or unhealthy debates, especially when I know some days are good and some days are not so good. So some days I can have a healthy debate, and then some days I'm going to give you the business because I'm very outspoken. So refraining from debates and knowing my limits definitely helps me protect my peace. In doing this, another thing that helps me protect my peace is not worrying about what people say or think of me. Like R. Kelly once said, what they eat don't make us ish, meaning what somebody feels, does, or thinks does nothing for you. So don't spend any time or energy focusing on other people. Turn that energy inwards and just do you. That ties in with my next thing that I have been utilizing to protect my peace. The things that are for you are not for anyone else. So only you need to understand that what's for you is for you. Don't look left, don't look right. Keep looking straight ahead. Anything that is meant for you to have with hard work and dedication and prayer, if you're a religious person like myself, you will obtain those things. So don't focus on what anyone else has. Focus on what you have and be grateful and keep working hard because you will be successful. I set boundaries. This goes for anything and everything and everybody. One thing I've learned over the last years is to put me first. And this even comes to your children. Hold up, let me finish. If you aren't any good for yourself, how can you be good for anyone else? You have to learn to be a little selfish. And in fact, it's not even selfish. It's self-care. It's prioritizing yourself. This will help you to be a happier person and more mentally stable. Trust me, your relationships will be a lot healthier if you learn to prioritize yourself and set boundaries. Say no. No is a healthy word, okay? Because if there's something that you just mentally or physically do not feel like doing, then the answer is N-O. Protect your peace. Now, I'm not saying don't go to work when you don't feel like it. I'm saying if your boss asks you to stay over an extra hour or two and you weren't mentally prepared to do so, then no. You have other priorities, starting with yourself. I think you get my drift. The next thing I had to learn the hard way is you have to cut some people out of your life. Yes, it can even mean a family member. It can be a boyfriend or a girlfriend. If that person is causing you mental anguish, if you are not your best self with this person, they're constantly bringing you down. If you even are following someone that makes you feel insecure, listen, you have to cut people out of your life and do it unapologetically, and you can do it silently. Make sure you are eliminating any type of energy that is not conducive to your overall well being. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you are, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love to have you a part of my family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button, and just like that, instantly you become one of our cousins, because over here in the OhSo fam, we are all cousins, okay? We're family. This channel is going to be having a whole lot more of just me involved and entangled into it. So I hope you guys stick around and appreciate this journey that I'm on. And my final thoughts that I want to leave you with is you have to value yourself. And a part of protecting your peace is valuing yourself, your mental health, your physical health. Sis, put that cheeseburger down. I'm talking to myself too. Listen, get out more, exercise, journal, do things that are going to add to you. If you want to start a business, start doing the research that you need to do to start that business. I want everyone to vibrate at a higher frequency, because overall that is going to help other like-minded people vibrate at a higher frequency as well. I want us to elevate, not just myself. Don't be one of those people that can't uplift someone else. Over here, I'm all about uplifting one another, especially my black women. So yes, my final thought is make sure you love yourself a lot more, and remember to protect your peace. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel today, and until next time, I'll see you guys. And don't forget to comment and like. That lets me know that you like this kind of content. And yeah, thank you guys. Bye.